Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be taking you along with me, and this video is in collaboration with Ayana from Simply Rose. It's currently sometime before 6 a.m. I got up out of bed, did my devotion, and came into the bathroom. I'm just gonna spruce myself up and get into the kitchen and get some breakfast started. This oil cleanser that I'm using, I have oily skin guys, but I like this oil cleanser in the morning because then I don't do anything else, especially now that I'm gonna leave the house. Once I'm done with breakfast, I'm gonna come in and shower, and then I'm gonna use my regular face wash. But this one is nice because I don't need to do anything. I just dry my face off and my face feels nice and moisturized and not dried out. And lip balm for my lips. I'm always using lip balm. I'm just one of those people, I put it on before I go to bed. My lips just almost always need lip balm. I have like probably 5 different lip balms. There's this one in the bed, in the bathroom, there's one in my purse, there's one in my car. It's just crazy. Anyhow, I'm gonna let Rose, Ayana, go ahead and introduce herself while I'm making breakfast.
Hello and welcome to Just Simply Rose. Our channel is filled with cleaning and laundry motivation as well as organization and decluttering videos. Into DIYs, we have that here too. So once you're done enjoying this video, please head over to Just Simply Rose. Consider subscribing. Don't forget to leave me a comment so I can properly welcome you.
Alright guys, so do what she says, head on over to her channel once you're done watching here and just let her know that you're coming from my video. If you're coming over from Simply Rose, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. I hope you subscribe. Over here you can find cleaning motivation videos and lifestyle content. I have both long videos and short videos, with a short video every Tuesday and every Thursday. My cleaning videos come out on a Sunday and lifestyle videos come out on a Wednesday. At this laundromat, they offer a laundry service, so I just drop my laundry off and I pick it up when it's done. Hey friends, it is around 2:40 p.m. and I just got in. I just ran some errands this morning. I went to the laundromat. I picked up the laundry, so that's that bag there with sheets, and this black bag has towels. I need to put those away, and then I normally roll the towels, but I don't know if I'm gonna be rolling these towels. I'm probably just going to put them away folded. And then I have some clothes from yesterday that I need to put away as well. That laundry was done yesterday and they kind of just slept right there in the bed. No joke, I just pulled the comforter over and they slept right there on the bed. I have a little grocery haul. It's not anything major, it's just something that we needed to top off this week. So I'm gonna show you that, and then I said I was gonna clean the fridge and clean the stove. I also need to cook dinner. I don't know if I'm gonna get all of that done, so let's go see. So for groceries, I got some hot dog, buns, spaghetti, bread, eggs, some black tea, sugar, ginger tea, Milo, toothbrushes, some tomato sauce, creamer, coconut milk, oats, this for the oven, some nuggets, and these baby tomatoes, onions. Look at these onions. Some mackerel fillet, hot dogs, and ground beef, and a tray of chicken. So that's it, and this was my total, $9,537.87 Jamaican, the US equivalent of $68. Alright, so let me show you what this fridge is looking like. It's mainly down in these bins that need the most cleaning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just give all the shelves a quick wipe and clean out in the vegetable and fruit bins. You can see a little mark right there, but it's nothing major. But before I do that, I'm gonna pack away these clean stuff and then just empty the fridge out give it the wipe down that it needs. Then just get everything back in there along with the stuff that I purchased, and then I'm just gonna get to cooking. So funny story, guys. While I was here, I didn't unplug the fridge or anything. So hubby has the app for the fridge on his phone. So I just was here with the doors open while I was wiping, and what happened is apparently after a particular amount of time with the doors open, it sends a notification. So it sent him the notification, and he called. He didn't call while I was doing this, but he called while I was making dinner, while I was filming too. And I do film on my phone, and then I missed a lot of footage that I thought I had, because apparently what happened is that the call paused the video, and then I thought I pressed record but when I was done I realized that I had not recorded anything. So he called me and said, you know, he got a notification that the fridge door was open at X time. I was like, yes, I was cleaning it, so that's why the door was open. I was like, this little informer app. Alright, so I've gotten everything back into the fridge and all the new stuff that I need to go in there. This is my little tea tin. It came with some teas in there and I've just been using it. It's nice and pretty, and then I don't have to have like 3-4 different boxes of tea bag or whatever in my cupboard, so I really like it. I had initially planned to purchase a tea storage container, but I think I'll probably just use this for a while as long as it holds up, and I'm pretty sure the can will hold up. It's probably just these little paper dividers that won't hold up. Now it's time to start prepping for dinner. I'm gonna throw some seasoning into the Ninja and let it just slash it up. I'm gonna be using powdered seasoning, but I like to do this as well to add more flavor to the meal. So as I said, I did lose some footage, so along with this I have in here onion, garlic, like half of a scotch bonnet pepper, and then I did use some all-purpose seasoning, some basil, some parsley, and some oregano in my beef mixture. The spaghetti is done, the sauce is simmering, and the spaghetti looks like that because I added some butter and a little bit of the sauce mixture just so that it doesn't clump up, the spaghetti doesn't clump up. And I'm just gonna wash out these few little dishes that I have here, and then I'm gonna be going into the bedroom to pack away the laundry. Nobody's gonna eat just yet, but I like to have dinner ready early in case somebody has an appetite that day, so they can get dinner if they need it. guys, so here we are for the laundry portion of the video. I'm not going to fold these. As I said before, I would normally roll my towels, but I'm tired, I'm sticky, I'm hot. I just want to get it all over with and take a shower. I don't want to take a shower before I do this because it's so hot that I'm gonna end up probably taking 2 more showers. So I'm gonna just wait until I'm done everything, and then I can take a shower and take it easy. So I'm gonna pack these away, and the clothes that are on the bed need to be folded, and there's currently no sheets on my bed, so I stripped them this morning because I was going to the laundromat. So you'll see me put my sheets on as well. If you're still here, I appreciate you so much. I know some of my videos are long. If you like shorter videos, I do have shorter videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can tune in for my short videos where I do 5-minute tasks, things around the house that you can get done in 5-6 minutes, and it's just little stuff that you can do every day with that little amount of time, and it just really helps to keep your workload when it comes to cleaning and organizing and just keeping your home nice and decluttered. Those little tasks really do add up if you do them every time you have a spare 10 minutes, 6 minutes, or 5 minutes. So hit subscribe and make sure you have your notifications turned on so that when those videos go up, you will know and you can watch them. And I hope they give you some motivation, some inspiration to get up and get something clean and organized and tidied. In this clip, Mr. Troublemaker is home. I was telling him to open the door slowly because the tripod was behind it, and he was just being his usual trouble self. Now he's back messing with the tripod, telling me about my lighting is bad, and I don't even know why I believed him because I checked it before I started filming and I knew the lighting was okay. But he was there telling me all kinds of things, and so you'll see me going to close the blinds and pull them down and all of that jazz. Yes, people, I have my own personal comedian at home. If you're still here with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you. We just have a couple more minutes left to go. I'm folding up my cleaning cloths. These are washed by hand, and typically the kids, if they use any of them, they just rinse it out and hang it to dry outside. So they're here for me to fold and put away. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and spread my bed. Since it's in the evening, I'm not gonna put back the comforter or the pillows on top. I'm just gonna spread it and leave it how it would be right before bed. They came home with a package. Is for an item that someone got off of the baby registry. It's just a mini crib sheet, but it's the first, is it the first item we're receiving off of the registry? Yes, it's the first item that we're receiving off of the registry, so it's of significance. It's by American Baby Company, and I had never tried their sheets before, but I think it had good reviews, and I like the fact that it was terry and it feels really nice, so I'm glad I chose it. And it was nice and exciting to get this little baby item today. I'm gonna put it in my bag with the stuff that I got from my Amazon welcome kit. If you didn't see that video, I'm gonna try and remember to link it in the cards. I say I'm gonna link things in the cards and then I forget every now and again, and I don't think I'm the only YouTuber that does that, but I'm gonna try to remember to link it in the cards so you can go watch that if you're new and you haven't seen that video yet. For right now, all of the baby things that I have are going into this bag, but we have a bunch of stuff that should be coming in next week, one of which is a hamper, and I'll be able to put the baby stuff in there for now. Alright guys, we're almost to the end of the video. I am going to leave my Euro pillow down here just to elevate my legs. So that's what that is, that's bulging over on my side of the bed. And my little corner over there to the left, I'm gonna clean that. That's gonna be in a cleaning short soon, guys. Thank you so much for spending 28 minutes of your life with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.